Well, welcome to part 2 of my attempt to start the engine. I discovered that I hooked the fuel lines incorrectly to the fuel pump. So what I did, I sprayed a little bit of gas inside the carburetor, and I'll try to start the engine and see if it draws enough gas from the tank into the carb. Something sounds a little strange. I have a feeling it's this cover that's causing a bit of friction. Let's see. Well, the good news is the engine is trying to start. I do have fuel delivery problem. I'll try to troubleshoot it and also recharge my battery because it sounds like it's running low. So stand by for part 3.